Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. It is still foggy and cold outside here in Sutter County, California. I almost said Southern. All right. Last night was Sunday date night here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Robin came over and I prepared casual chef style lasagna. It's kind of loosely based on another recipe that I have, but this one is basically all my own. I'm not a big fan of ricotta, never have been. So I replaced it with crumbled goat cheese and I added some extra veggies. Oh, it was excellent. Robin was just, yeah. Between the enchiladas from Saturday and the lasagna from last night, she is going to be the envy of the office this week when she has lunch. I hope nobody gets stabbed trying to get to her lunch. I have to admit, it was the first time in the many years that I have prepared lasagna that didn't fall apart upon plating. It stayed together. Big win for this chef. Yeah. All right, tonight I am preparing Lebanese, let's see if I get this right, my notes are covered. Lebanese red lentil soup with veggies. Perfect evening for a soup. So let's get to it. We're starting off with red lentils, also known as red dal, okay, so we got that. The veggies include onion, celery, carrot, potatoes. Actually, there's another half onion that goes with this. We might as well call this lentil and onion soup. Olive oil. I'm going to be using some chicken broth, kosher salt, black pepper. The black pepper is actually to finish. Cumin, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of my za'atar seasoning blend. I actually had to take a double take when I was working on my notes for today's recipe. It said 1.5 medium onions. I'm like, huh? So, as you know, I half most of my recipes because I'm usually eating alone. So I looked at the full, 100% recipe. Yeah, there's 3 onions in the full version. So, half is 1.5. All right. So I'm actually looking forward to this. I get to use one of my favorite kitchen implements, the boat motor. Yes, this gets blended after the simmer. So, yeah. The potatoes are going to thicken it nicely. All right. So on this Monday, stay warm, stay dry, because it feels like it's a mist out there. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.